Just when we thought the infamous Chazar hypothesis, that idea that the people of Israel are no continuation of the ancient Israelites, but some Turkic Slavic people that, came out of the caves of Eastern Europe, we thought that was just put to rest, right? Now comes an eminent Israeli geneticist who actually revives it and demonstrates that the deep genetic roots of the people of Israel are indeed from Central Asia, are indeed from Greater Armenia, Persia. Now, you all know I've shown you, at least our dear students of Torah defense workshops, extraordinary evidence for why we should take Genesis seriously, if we only understand, of course, how to read it. Why does this pose no contradiction? Let's go further. What about Korach? Okay, the earth opens up its mouth to swallow up the rebels against Moses, right? Then 250 of these wannabe Levites bringing their incense are somehow immolated when fire from heaven burns them to a crisp. How is that possible? How is it likely? And what is going on with this plague that when the Israelite men start fornicating with the Midianite seductresses, how does a plague fell alafim, thousands, in just the shortest amount of time? How are these things possible? It's starting in only 3 days from now. Torah Defense Workshops Course 3. You've got to come. We're going to be so happy to have you and get the answers that you've been waiting for. We can't wait to have you. June 6th. Okay, that's this coming Sunday. Hope to see you there. Take care.